In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete items from Milanote. Whether you're organizing your projects or simply tidying up your digital workspace, knowing how to efficiently remove unnecessary items can make your workflow smoother and more productive. Let's dive into the two simple methods Milanote offers to delete items effortlessly. First up, we have the drag to trash method. This approach is often the most intuitive. In your Milanote interface, you'll identify the item you want to get rid of. Maybe it's a note, an image, or any kind of board element that's no longer needed. Once you've spotted the item, hover your cursor over it, then click and hold to select it. With the item firmly grasped, drag it across your screen towards the bottom left corner where you'll find the trash icon. As you move the item, you'll notice it gravitating towards the icon. When it reaches this designated spot, simply release your mouse button. This action effectively drops the item into the virtual trash, removing it from your current board or list. Our next method involves using the delete key on your keyboard, but this technique comes with its own quirks to keep in mind. Start by selecting the item you intend to delete. Clicking on the item with your mouse will usually suffice to select it. However, if it's a text note, you'll need to ensure that the note is completely empty before this method will work. If there's content within the note, simply highlight and backspace the text to clear it out. Once the note is empty, you can proceed. With the item selected and, where necessary, the text erased, press the delete key. This keystroke will instantly remove the selected item from your workspace. Now, an important tip to remember is that both methods ensure items are placed in a digital trash. This is a protective measure in case you accidentally delete something you didn't mean to. To fully clear space or eliminate items permanently, you might need to visit your trash and empty it there, ensuring that all unwanted items are permanently removed from your Milanote. These quick and efficient methods help you maintain an organized digital environment on Milanote, keeping your boards clean and focused. Plus, as you get more accustomed to these processes, cleaning up becomes second nature, allowing you to keep your attention on what really matters in your projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you master your workflow in Milanote. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to optimize your creative projects. See you next time, and happy organizing!